When you hear the word chamomile, you probably think of a soft, calming tea before bedtime, right? But chamomile is much more than just a relaxing drink. Behind that delicate flower lies a powerful medicinal plant, backed by science and used for thousands of years to calm the mind, heal the body, and even support natural weight management. In today's video, we'll explore 5 surprising, science-backed facts about chamomile, and we'll show you how to use it to improve your sleep, digestion, immunity, skin health, and emotional balance. So stay with us until the end, because you'll not only discover what makes chamomile so special, but also how to make the most of it in your daily life. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to Herbal Flavors, click the bell icon, like this video, and share it with your friends. And check out our ebook, Herbal Flavors, Lose Weight the Healthy Way, packed with herbal recipes, detox infusions, and natural thermogenic blends to help you feel lighter, more energized, and naturally balanced all year round. You'll find the link right below this video. 1. Chamomile. One of the oldest healing herbs. Chamomile is one of the world's oldest and most beloved medicinal plants. Ancient Egyptian physicians prescribed it for fevers and inflammation, and it was even offered to the sun god Ra as a sacred symbol of vitality and healing. The Romans used chamomile to treat digestive discomfort, while in medieval Europe it became a staple in monastery gardens for making soothing balms and infusions. Today, modern research has confirmed what ancient healers already knew. Chamomile contains more than 120 active phytochemicals, including apigenin, bisabolol, chamazoline, and luteolin, compounds known for their anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial effects. Recent studies in phytotherapy research show that chamomile extract can reduce oxidative stress, support liver detoxification, and enhance immune function, thanks to its rich concentration of flavonoids. Steep 1 tablespoon of dried flowers in hot, not boiling, water for 10 minutes. Inhale the vapor from hot chamomile tea to relieve sinus congestion and tension. Add a handful of dried flowers or a few drops of chamomile essential oil to warm bathwater for deep relaxation. Always cover your tea while it steeps. This preserves the essential oils that hold most of chamomile's therapeutic compounds. 2. Chamomile. Nature's gentle sleep aid. Chamomile is world famous as a natural remedy for better sleep, but few people know why it works. Its secret lies in apigenin, a flavonoid that binds to GABA receptors in the brain, producing a mild sedative effect similar to that of prescription tranquilizers, but without side effects or dependency. Studies published in the Journal of Advanced Nursing and BMC Complementary Medicine and Therapies found that people who drank chamomile tea before bed reported better sleep quality and less nighttime awakening compared to those who didn't. Chamomile also helps reduce cortisol levels, the body's primary stress hormone, which often interferes with healthy sleep patterns. Drink 1 cup of chamomile tea about 30 to 45 minutes before bedtime. Combine with lavender or lemon balm for extra relaxation. Add a teaspoon of raw honey. It supports serotonin production and enhances the calming effect. For a stronger effect, make a sleep blend with chamomile, valerian root, and passion flower, all natural, safe, and non-habit forming. 3. Stress relief and emotional balance. Chamomile isn't just for bedtime, it's also a powerful adaptogen, helping the body cope with emotional stress and anxiety. Its aroma alone can lower cortisol and promote alpha brainwave activity, which induces calm focus and mental clarity. In a clinical trial published in Phytomedicine, participants who took chamomile extract daily for 8 weeks showed a significant reduction in symptoms of mild to moderate anxiety compared to placebo. Chamomile also helps regulate the autonomic nervous system, balancing heart rate and blood pressure during stressful moments. Sip chamomile tea throughout the day, especially in the afternoon when stress peaks. Use chamomile essential oil in a diffuser or apply diluted oil to your wrists and temples. Take short breaks with chamomile tea to reconnect, breathe, and reset your nervous system. Combine chamomile with ashwagandha or holy basil for a gentle adaptogenic blend that supports emotional resilience. 4. Digestive harmony and gut health. Chamomile has been used for centuries as a natural digestive aid, and science fully supports this tradition. Its antispasmodic compounds, bisabolol, apigenin, and matricin, help relax smooth muscles in the stomach and intestines, relieving cramps, bloating, and indigestion. Research from the European Journal of Gastroenterology and Hepatology found that chamomile tea can significantly reduce symptoms of functional dyspepsia, chronic indigestion, and improve overall gut comfort. Chamomile also promotes a healthy gut microbiome thanks to its antimicrobial properties, which help control harmful bacteria while supporting beneficial ones. Drink chamomile tea after meals to improve digestion. Blend chamomile with fennel or peppermint for extra relief from bloating. For mild nausea, combine chamomile with a slice of lemon and a bit of honey. Avoid drinking chamomile immediately after boiling water. Wait about 2 minutes to preserve its active enzymes. 5. Chamomile for skin, immunity, and overall well-being. Chamomile isn't just for your cup, it's also amazing for your skin and immune system. Its essential oil contains chamomile, a blue-tinted compound with potent anti-inflammatory effects that soothe skin irritations, eczema, and sunburn. According to studies in skin pharmacology and physiology, chamomile extract accelerates skin regeneration and protects against oxidative damage. It's also rich in antioxidants that support immune function and help the body fight off seasonal infections, perfect for cold, dry winters. Apply cooled chamomile tea as a facial toner to calm redness and irritation. Use chamomile compresses on tired eyes or inflamed skin. Drink chamomile tea daily to support internal detox and glowing skin. Mix a few drops of chamomile essential oil with coconut oil or aloe vera gel for a gentle, healing skin balm. So there you have it, 5 powerful, science-backed reasons why chamomile deserves a place in your daily life. 1. Ancient healing herb with proven medicinal value. 2. Natural sleep enhancer. 3. Stress and anxiety reliever. 4. Digestive and gut health supporter. 5. Skin and immune system booster. Chamomile truly shows that nature's gentlest remedies can have the most profound effects on our body and mind. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Herbal Flavors for more daily tips on herbal nutrition and natural health. And don't forget, download our ebook, Herbal Flavors. Lose weight the healthy way. It's your complete guide to detox, balance, and energy through the power of herbs, perfect for your winter wellness routine. Stay warm, stay balanced, and let nature take care of you.